I've been living with a lack mindset for way too long. I don't believe there's enough abundance for everyone. And because of that belief, I haven't been able to experience true prosperity. But it's okay. I love and accept myself anyway. And I'm changing that belief today. I'm choosing to connect with prosperity consciousness. I'm activating my abundance mindset right now. I'm starting to see that wealth is everywhere. There's enough for me and everyone else. I live in an abundant universe. I'm grateful for what I already have. And I know there's more where that came from. I'm clearing any belief that stops me from feeling abundant. And I'm choosing to align with the frequency of wealth and prosperity.